Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a diary on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and click to the stationery button. Scroll down and choose the diary option under the resume. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, stickers, charts, frames, and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. Here you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the color square icon next to the design section, and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move, and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click that, delete, and write your text. If you want to change the style of the text, just click to the arrow next to the glicker semi-bold font type name, and just choose another text style or font type. Just select one and click that. And if you want to change the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.